Considering selling your home? Want to see the confidential and proprietary marketing presentation of one of the best agents of Toronto in 2022? Stick around for all the details. Team West is formed by Julio Mendez, Realtor broker, and Mauricio Jimenez, sales representative, and on the supporting side, Sandra, a top marketing specialist and brand manager, and Catalina, a top interior designer. Our goal is to provide you with the most professional method of buying and selling real estate. You see, an individual realtor cannot do it all, it's too much to handle. But as a team with different areas of expertise, the transactions run efficiently and smoothly. Check out what clients are saying about us. We specialize in digital marketing, which is targeting, nurturing, and retargeting our audiences to sell your home faster. And for top dollar, our job is to professionally market and sell your home by doing our due diligence. We highlight your home's key features and benefits to make your home more attractive. You see, 96% of buyers are looking for homes online. This means that digital marketing must be outstanding. Our listing services include consultation of interior design and staging, cleaning, amazing photography and videography, narrated video tour of your home, database exposure, online ads, flyers, open houses, pre-listing home inspection, and much more. Did I mention professional realtors? Of course! We use all of the platforms to deliver your amazing home everywhere. We also re-nurture our existing database with your listing. Check out our YouTube videos for a greater idea of the narrated video tours. Now let's see some examples of our stunning photography, virtual staging, sky replacement, videography, and drone footage. Now let's listen to a sample of our narrated video tours. They are amazing.
Perfect for entertainers, offering breathtaking views of the CN Tower from your terraces. Hookups for your gas barbecue and patio heater are available.
Of course, all of this hard work of getting your home ready to market must be advertised to get great exposure. We do Google and social media ads. Not all our work is digital media though. We still produce and print postcards, feature sheets, open house invites, and much more. Julio Mendez is a top producing agent in Ontario. Want to learn more? Or would like a free consultation?
Call Team West at 647-534-7477.
Thank you!